In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing mode on shared Google Docs. This is a crucial skill for those who collaborate using Google Docs but want to maintain control over who can edit, comment, or view the document. Ensuring these permissions are correctly set up is essential for keeping your document organized and protected from unwanted edits. Start by opening your Google Doc and, as always, the key to any document collaboration is being able to control who can do what within your document. So, let's look at how you can adjust those settings. First, in the top right corner of your Google Doc, you'll see a blue button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you're going to manage sharing settings and privileges for your document. Once you've clicked that blue Share button, a pop-up window will appear. Here, you can view everyone who currently has access to your document. This is where you need to find the specific individual whose editing permissions you wish to restrict. Look for their name or email address in the list that appears. Next to each person's name or email, there is a drop-down menu. When you click on this menu, you'll probably notice that it says Editor by default. This means that currently they have full editing permissions in the document. This is where you will make your changes to restrict their access. The drop-down menu will provide you with a couple of different options, Viewer or Commenter. If you select Viewer, the person will only be able to see the document. They won't be able to make changes or even leave comments. This is a good choice if you simply want someone to read the document without any input. On the other hand, the Commenter option is perfect if you want to allow an individual to provide feedback. They can leave comments and suggestions for you to consider without having the ability to alter the text directly. You'll then have the chance to accept or reject their suggestions as you see fit. Once you've made the appropriate selection for the individual, the final step is to save your changes. Simply click the Done button. This will ensure that the changes you made to their access level are applied and secured. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you've successfully learned how to restrict editing on your shared Google Doc. Remember, managing access is a useful way to maintain the integrity of your document while still inviting collaboration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.